In this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step process to be able to solve the problem of if you have something like ad account disabled. We have disabled your ad account to protect your personal and financial info. To run ads again, you will need to fill out a form and request an account review. Then, or you may have it this way. We notice some unusual activity, so we have disabled your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again. Whether you see this one or this one, it's a payment related problem. And so I have done several videos on this, but people still keep on coming with different problems every day regarding this situation. So I've done, this is an update on all the videos I've done, and this video is more updated than all the other videos that I have done. So this is what you have to do. And then let me tell you, before this problem happens, normally it happens because you have probably added a new payment method. And when you add a new payment method and maybe the ad account settings, the payment method that you added is from a different location. That is where this problem would happen. So for example, maybe your payment location is in USA. And that's the payment address is US. And you are adding a card that is from India, or a card that was issued in India. Or let's say your payment location is in UK and you are adding a card from Nigeria. Or let's say your payment location is Ghana and you are adding a card from let's say Sri Lanka or Bangladesh. This particular issue will happen. So what you will have to do is that the surest way to get a solution to it is to have a bank statement. So for example, before I even continue, let me let you understand there are several types of restrictions. We have the restriction where you'll be asked to confirm your identity and request a review. But this is a payment related problem. So this doesn't warrant or doesn't demand confirming your identity, or this is not about submitting an identity identification document. This is about submitting a bank statement indicating the recent transactions on your account. So for example, if this restriction was an identity related problem, if you click on request review, it would have taken us to account quality here, where you will see here under what you can do section, you will see they will ask you to confirm your identity and request a review. But as you can see, there's nothing like that. This one, they are rather saying contact support to verify your information. You can see contact support here, or go to payment settings. But if it were an advertising restriction where we have to maybe a policy violation where we have to confirm our identity and request a review, that you would have seen under here what you can do section, you would have seen confirm your identity and request a review. But this is a problem, a payment problem. Okay, so for those of you who will have your own is not a payment related problem, but it is about identity confirmation and requesting a review, check the video above. Whether it is an ad account, it's a user account or page that you will have to do, you will have to confirm your identity and request a review. Check that video and it will help you. Okay, so for this one, it's a payment problem. So we will have to fill a form and then attach a bank statement of the primary payment method. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to click on request review. And when you click on request review, it brings you to here, disabled payments, where you will see if you believe your account was disabled by mistake, fill this form so we can help. And then when you click, they'll ask you select your account. Then I have selected the account. They say you can add more information to help us understand why you believe this account should be restored. So I've taken time to write. I'm saying that this account was actually hacked. And so the hacker hacked and tried to authorize a payment. So what I said is my Facebook account was hacked while I was running an ad campaign on my personal ad account. Even though I have two-factor authentication on and did not give two-factor authentication code to anybody, I did not give the two-factor authentication code to anybody. I still don't understand how that he was able to hack my account. I have been able to regain access to my account and logged out the hacker. After logging in, the hacker tried authorizing a payment on my other account. And so my other account was disabled. And I am told we have disabled your account to protect your personal and financial info. To run ads again, you need to fill a form and request a account review. Below is a PDF document of the primary payment method on my account, which has the details of all the recent deductions from Facebook. Okay, so I have a PDF document. So I'm attaching that document indicating the current transactions on the account. So the document is attached, and I've taken time to explain in detail whatever the hacker has done and the problem, how it happened. Now, most of you normally will ask me to send you this text. So the truth is that you may not have exactly the same problem that I have. So take time and describe what happened and you had that problem. So that they will be able, the one who reviewed the account will be able to understand you. So after you take time to write all this, you click on send. I'm asked to confirm I'm not a robot. Okay, so traffic light. Select all squares with traffic light. Okay, they have confirmed. Okay, so the form has been submitted successfully. They will review the account and get back within 1 to 2 business days. So if you take time to do this, you will get a response within 2 business days. You will get a response within 2 business days, as they have said here. So you can check in support inbox. So when you click support inbox, it will bring you here, or you can type www.facebook.com/inbox support. And then we come here, you will see a support inbox. So this is what they are saying. Thanks for contacting us. It looks like you have contacted us several times about the problem you're having. To make sure that we are able to help you out, please don't respond to this email. Instead, wait until you receive a response to the previous issue you have reported. Once you receive that message, you can continue the conversation here. Okay, so that is it. So waiting for a response from them. Okay. So that is it. So we will just have to wait for a response within 2 business days, within 48 hours. They will get back, and then we can see what to do. Now, for those of you who may still go through this process and don't get a solution, if you don't get a solution, please leave your comments in the comment section or follow the links in the description to contact us for assistance. Remember, I said you must get a bank statement. Most of you don't really upload the correct document that is needed. If you don't upload the correct document, they may still not be able to, they may still not reinstate your account. So make sure that you get a bank statement. When you get a bank statement that has all those transactions indicating your card and then Facebook deductions on it and all that, they will be able to investigate the case and get back to you. So please take time and do that. When you do that, you get a solution. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. We are into digital marketing. We are always there to help you. For those who will want us to set ad campaigns for you and help you solve your advertising problems, you can contact us. We will help you, and then we'll be able to advertise very well. Thank you once again, and then have a great day. Bye.